Today we're going to have a case study discussion on applications of transistor. So we all know what is a transistor, right? It is a amplification device. It can even act as a switch. It can act as an voltage controller or it can act as a current controller. So in today's session, we are going to discuss about the applications of the various transistors. It is employed in almost all electronics equipments, right? So we're going to discuss about the different types of transistors and applications of the different types of transistors in various fields. Okay, let's discuss for another 5 minutes and after that we can start the discussion. Okay, let's start the discussion.
Hi everyone, I am Shivani. I am going to talk about the type of transistors which is going to be JFET, junction field effect transistor. It has various applications on electronics. It is used as amplifier, which is used as a small signal amplifier for audio, AF and instrumentation systems, and also preferred in low noise amplifier because of their minimal internal noise, and also analog switches. JFET is used in analog switches, which is electronically controlled in analog circuits, and also voltage controlled transistor operated in ohmic region to act as a variable transistor controlled by a gate voltage, and also it is used in buffer circuits, ideal for impedance matching, especially between the high dependent source and low independent source, and also as chopper amplifier, used for very low noise frequency simple amplification with minimal draft, and also it is used as simple sample and hold circuits. It holds the process and also helps the sample as a voltage.
Good afternoon everyone, I am here to explain about applications of UJT. UJT is a unipolar junction transistor. UJT acts as a signal controller which controls a large circuit. UJT used to trigger the silicon controller in the power circuit. Timing circuits, which is used in the electrical alarms and the display circuits. Oscillator circuits, used to create the waveforms in the alarms and the tone generator. Pulse generation helps to generate short circuits pulse in the digital and the electrical circuits. Flash circuits, which is used in the automatic blinking lights, which is used in the indicator lights and the warning signals.
So we all know that UJT cannot act as an amplifier, it can act only as a switch, right? It is a unipolar junction transistor. It works on the one, it can act as any one of the poles. It can be a majority one, it can be a N or it can be a P.
Applications of BJT. BJT are widely used in electronic circuits due to their ability of amplifiers and it act as a switch. In amplifiers, audio amplifying, it is used to amplify in radios and TV and in sound systems. RF amplifiers used in communication systems for radio frequency and amplifying the signals. Operational amplifiers, it amplifies the signals from AC to DC. The access switches used in digital logic circuits in electronics, microprocessor LED devices, relay devices or motor devices in communication system.
Okay, we all know BJT is a very basic transistor. It is very simple and the cost wise also it is very low. And we all know we have two types of BJT, it is NPN and PNP. And the three terminals of BJT are collector base and emitter terminals. Okay, next. So we all had a discussion about the applications of transistors, and you have discussed about various transistors like BJT, MOSFET, field effect transistor, IGBT, and also even discussed about the Darlington pair. So we all know that the transistors are the major important component of the electronic equipments, and we have discussed about the UJT, right? UJT cannot act as an amplifier, it can act as a switch, and also MOSFET is the most widely used one because of the low power consumption and the fast response time is very low. So it is used in the majority of the processes. So transistors is a very important component, and it is always called as a transfer of resistance, right? It is used to amplify the weak signal into a strong signal. So without a transistors, there will be electronic industry will face a huge impact over it. So thank you all for your valuable points. Thank you.